Hey guys, welcome back tonight. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your Cheryl, and today I am finally back with a new makeup tutorial, which is my upgraded versions of foxy eye and a new technique on how to do false lashes to make it look super natural and foxy. So excited to film this makeup tutorial today because for the past few weeks I've been trying to do vlogs on my channel, especially the new one, which is on the last Wednesday. It took me like one full week to film it and also one full week to edit the whole video. It's the video I ate and exercised like Pamela for a week. So if you want to check out the video, I will link it down at the right hand corner here. You can go check it out, show some support. So yeah, today I am finally back with my makeup tutorial and very happy to share with you my new foxy eye makeup, which I absolutely love this makeup. Hope you guys gonna enjoy this makeup. So if you want to know how I achieved this look, please keep on watching. We're gonna go right into my eyebrow. I have already prepped my skin, so we're gonna draw like a super lifted eyebrow shape. So I'm gonna try my best to do that using my Precisely Eyebrow Pencil and my Goofproof. I'm gonna go right into my Benefit, my Precisely Eyebrow Pencil. I'm gonna go with my concealer, trying to cover this sections to kind of really make the eyebrow really going up, lifted. So what I'm gonna do is I am gonna go in with a transition color, which is more of a nude warm brown. So I'm kind of gonna mix these two using a fluffy brush, and then I'm gonna go over to my crease line just to kind of build the structure over my eyes. Like this area we're really gonna lift up. Today I'm not gonna use any eyeliner. I'm just gonna use eyeshadow to build that really subtle foxy eye. And then I'm gonna go in with a smaller flat brush, and I'm gonna go in with darker brownish, which is this one. I'm using a Tarte palette from the middle of my eyes and gonna go upwards. So I have a hooded eye. See that when I'm like dragging in, you can see that the extra skin, which gonna make it very unsmooth for me. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna drag it and then place so that it's easier and smoother. This is my autumn favorite eye makeup look. Foxy eye, it's so in trend right now. You see like the difference between the two. I'm just gonna dab on this color. This is called Smarty Pants, and I'm connecting my crease line to build the structure of my eyes. I'm gonna be tapping on using a flat brush and kind of add a little bit on this line here. I'm gonna run down to my lower lash line. I'm gonna be using my Q-tip just to clean up the edges. You want to make sure that it's really clean so that it really creates that super foxy eye. Just gonna do one eye, then you will see like how much difference it can actually create to your eyes. You can see like the difference. This is so much more lifted compared to this one right now. So I'm gonna go with my mascara first, and then we're gonna put on some false lashes to give that ultimate foxy eye look. So how I usually put on mascara is sweep it over to the other side, which is to the end of the outer corner, to accentuate the foxy eye. I'm putting like my eyelash, really swiping them to the outer corner of my eyes. So this is how my false lashes look like. So I'm gonna cut them into a few pieces, and then we're gonna put it at the outer corner to create that really fox eye look. Then we're gonna cut two more, and this is the second one. This is what I'm gonna be using, and I'm gonna add it to the end of my outer corner but slightly above the lash line. For the second one, I'm gonna put right on the lash line. Then we're gonna go in with my mascara to do one more coat and just kind of mix them together so that it will be more natural. When it's all dried up, I'm gonna curl it up once again. So I'm gonna do another eye, and I'll come back to you girls in a short while. So yeah, the eyes are pretty much done. We're gonna move right to the skin. So I'm gonna be using this CC cream from the It Cosmetic. It is a full coverage cream, so it gives the coverage you want, but at the same time it doesn't cake your face. Look at the difference before and after. It is so natural and it gives a lot of coverage. Alright, going in with the concealer, I'm going to be using Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I'm just going to quickly cover up some of the areas where it's not fully covered. I want a little bit more coverage to those acne area. I'm just going to leave it a bit before we're going to blend it up with the Beauty Blender. So in the meantime, I'm going to be using my Urban Decay Skin Concealer. So this is a much fairer skin tone, so I'm going to use this to highlight my under eye, and like, it's really important for foxy eye, the forehead, nose, and also the small eye. This is a good trick to lift up your face. I know it looks ridiculous right now, but it's gonna come out pretty later on, so I'm just gonna let it sit for a bit. So I'm gonna go in with my flat angle brush, and then I'm gonna put on my Fenty Beauty bronzer. This also gives you the line that where you're gonna contour your face. It's definitely gonna just a little bit higher up, so that's how you're gonna contour your face. Using the leftover, going over to my forehead. Now I'm just gonna go in with my brush, and then I'm gonna start blending up my contour. Go back into the concealer. I am gonna be using a beauty blender, and then I'm gonna start pressing it in. Then I'm gonna go to the back of the beauty blender to blend in so that it doesn't leave any harsh line. Press in the concealer. I'm gonna drag it over so create like a lifting up effect. So when you're trying to blend it in, you just drag it all the way to the end of your face. And then for the nose, you have to be delicate because you don't want it to be too flat. That will defeat the whole purpose of highlighting your nose. I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty bronzer, and then I'm gonna use a smaller flat brush and do a little bit of that shadow on my nose and link it to the eyes. This area to make it smaller. For the blushes, I'm gonna be using my Zoeva palette, and I'm dipping into the same color. What I learned is you start from your high upper cheek and then dragging upwards, kind of really up your under eye area. This can create a very nice lifted face. I'm going over around my forehead on the side. Right, next we're gonna bake, because why not, since we're gonna do like a full glam of foxy eye. So I'm gonna be using my Maqpro HD powder. So I'm just gonna press it in. While we're waiting for the baking to sit, I'm gonna go in with my powder and to kind of set the whole face. I'm just gonna finish up my under eye. And then I'm gonna go in with my mascara. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty bronzer, and I'm using the brush where I do my contour and just adding the color into my face to give it a little bit more of that structure. I'm gonna go with my brush where I apply my blushes to swipe it off, because I want that a little bit off that blushes under eye. Now I'm gonna go right to my highlighter. I'm gonna be using my Fenty Beauty. I'm just gonna be focusing on the higher cheeks. I'm not gonna go all the way like this. Ooh. For the nose, I'm just gonna do a little bit in the middle of my nose bridge. go in with my blushes brush to blend in together. I'm gonna go in with my brow eyeliner pencil from Marc Jacobs. I'm gonna go in and then kind of tight lining my lash line. Last but not least, we're gonna move on to the lip eye. I'm gonna be using my Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. This is a nude pink. Alright, then I'm gonna go in with my Sephora nude. To give that super juicy lip, I'm gonna put on the lip balm from the Fenty Beauty, and this is the color called Coca Drizzle. So I'm gonna put it right on top of my lip. Alright, so the makeup is done for today. I hope you guys love this makeup. I personally really like this makeup myself, especially the lashes trick. Instead of using the full lash, I feel like it's so much better just using a few strand of the lashes at the end of the outer corner to give that really foxy eye. So this is kind of my upgraded versions of foxy eyelashes. Really into this makeup and the hair together. It gives me that Bella kind of vibe, and this makeup is totally vibing. I hope you guys love it so much as well, and I would love to see you guys recreate this makeup and tag me on social media. Today I'm wearing this really cute top from Zara. So I'm gonna be actually shooting a Zara haul soon, so please stay tuned to it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, and also don't forget to click the bell notifications so that you get notified whenever I post. Make sure to check out my Instagram over here. I do post on a daily basis, so if you want to know more of my personal lifestyle, go check out my Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next video.